Hi guys, this is Ivy with WTI, and are you looking for something to get rid of those pesky, annoying whiteheads? Well then look no further and let me introduce you to Whitehead Power Liquid by COSRX. This Whitehead Power Liquid is just like in the name, very powerful. It is a leave-on exfoliant with 7% glycolic acid and 2% niacinamide, which helps even out my skin tone and also boost my skin's radiance. I really love that this product just really helps shed all that dead skin and those dead skin cells, which in turn helps with the buildup of whiteheads. So I really think that this is effective for me. And thanks to its unique ingredients like apple water, I really do enjoy that or appreciate that because it helps my skin with its dullness as well as any of my acne prone areas. Ever since I started to use this product, I really noticed that it's helped clean up my skin. I absolutely love this power liquid. I think it's so effective, but it's still very gentle with my skin, which is something that I appreciate. But that is just my point of view.